Hi guys, you are watching Navigating YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to create a route on FMD 3000 Ecdis. Uh, you can see this is not a passage planning, just only create a route. Okay, we will go to the video. Okay guys, this is my FMD 3000 FURUNO Ecdis. You can see like that, it is the monitor. This is the keyboard. Now it is on a navigation mode. You can see this is my vessel. Here is my vessel anchored. Okay, we will go to plan mode. This is plan mode. Next, planning. Click on planning. Then click on route. Now appear in this dialog box. You can see. Next, click on new. Okay. This is appearing name, latitude, longitude, leg nautical miles. Likewise, this dialog box appearing. First we entered first waypoint using cursor. We must enter first waypoint using cursor. Left click. Press left click. This is the first waypoint we created. Now we need to go next waypoint. We can easily move the cursor using trackball. So we will go to the next waypoint using trackball. Just turn in the trackball. Just zoom out and left click. Now enter second waypoint. You can see only press left click. We are entering TSS. Next one. We can enter waypoints like that. Just very simple. Next one. Just go to next one. Also check the depth and you can enter the waypoint. Again entering TSS. Next one. Okay, I will end up this route here because this is only example for showing you. Now you want to finish, just right click, then click finish. See, now cursor is free. Now we will check this box. You can see the waypoint numbers. You can change these waypoint numbers if you like. You can enter names or some information regarding to the legs. I will just enter OPL using keyboard. You can enter any information, any word, and you can change positions. Click on the position, then you can change using keyboard. And also round line you can change, STR mode you can change. This is a turning radius, also you can change. Lot of information is available. You can change according to your passage. XTD limit, I was entered 500 meters. This one also you can change. XTD limits means one safety margin to one safety margin to other safety margin. Also you can change the planner speed, maximum speed, also safety margin you can change. Also you can change this time, local time, GMT time, according to your passage. It will affect onto ETA, estimated time of arrival. This all information you can change according to your passage. Alert parameters. Then finally you can add user chart also. Okay, then finally we can check this route. We have option check results. Click check route. It will automatically show the alerts, danger alerts, traffic separation zone, likewise caution area, UKC limit. One by one you can check these alerts. Click on alert. It will automatically go to the relevant leg. You can check or correct it and edit it. It is very easy. That's how we create the routes. Okay guys, I will end up the video today. Thanks for watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Goodbye.